Hey, good morning. Checking in from Naples today. Definitely one of my favorite cities in the world. I spent almost 8 years here, studying at the university and working a little bit. I studied political sciences, by the way, and I still have friends here, so I visit often. I visit quite often, and it's a really nice city. Nice food, nice people, a lot of history. It's becoming a little bit too touristic lately, but it's still an authentic city. So I'm in the process of shooting a video ad right now, which is a video that is meant to promote a product online, right? What a digital entrepreneur does. You can do the same as with an article, but sometimes I do articles, sometimes I do videos. Well, the video you're watching now, it's not a video ad, it's just a video that is meant to provide some value to you, and I share it through my mail, while the video ad goes on YouTube or on social media. And I thought, why not share with you the process, so what it takes to shoot a video and what it feels like. So first thing to do is, of course, decide who you want to talk to, and what product you want to promote, of course, to this kind of audience that you have selected. Then the next thing to do is write a script for your video. It usually takes me from 7 to 10 days to write a nice script, because what I've seen it works is writing something down and then let it go, sleep over it, because the next day you think about it and you have some new ideas and some new text that you want to pepper in the old text, and this is a process that takes more or less 7 days or 10 days, and doing it every day and thinking over it every day. After 10 days you probably have a very nice script, and well thought script, right, that you like. Then the next thing is to shoot it. So it can be very funny, it can be very frustrating sometimes, just the words don't come out of your mouth right. It can be too sunny, like now, or it can be too cloudy, or you're just not in the mood to shoot a video that day. So it's better that you close everything, go have some fun, and then you try the next day. Then it takes another day to edit it, because sometimes you just shoot a video one piece, but some other times you just make some mistakes, so you want to cut and paste the different parts, which is really easy nowadays. I use, for example, iMovie, but you have other free software like Filmora or DaVinci Resolve, and you cut and paste it, and then the last day you just put this video on Google Ads, if you advertise on YouTube or on the social media you want to advertise to, and you decide and you tell the platform who you want to show the video to. So you can select specific countries, specific type of audience, based on their interests, on what they watch online, what they buy online, and so you can be really targeted, and you just publish the video. So it's basically more or less 15 days of work, which can be really funny, and it's very creative as well. And I recommend that you put like real stories from your real life, some authenticity, so you just stand out of the crowd, and it's really nice to share like pieces of your life. And apart from being funny, it's also very efficient way to being an entrepreneur that way, because you just work, let's say 15 days, even a month, on a piece of content. You publish it online, stays there forever, and it can make money to you maybe forever or at least for, I don't know, for some years, 5 years, 6 years. Like one piece of content, you worked 30 days, let's say, and you make money for 5 years or 10 years. How awesome is that? So the same you can do with an article. publish an article through which then you promote something, you send people to the websites of companies that you like and you love. And more or less, this is the process of shooting a video ad or an article that promotes some kind of product. I think this can be of value to you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, enjoy, stay well, stay safe, and stay happy. Bye.